Jallosh 2024 Sports and Cultural Competition prize distribution concluded with enthusiasm. Raigad College of Pharmacy and SBNM College of Pharmacy organize annual sports and cultural competition for students every year. The outstanding sports persons who achieve outstanding performances in the Jallosh 2024 Sports and Cultural Tournament were felicitated on Saturday, March 23 with trophies and certificates of honor. Former sportswoman and famous music expert director, Asmi's Music Academy Mahad, Miss Asmita Sohamne Tendulkar, along with administrative staff, principal, HOD of Pharmacy Campus were mainly present. The sports events include Kho-Kho, cricket, volleyball, throwball, tug-of-war, carom, chess. The cultural competition included Rangoli, Mehendi, drawing, and Dakshari competitions. All the students actively participated in the sports and cultural competition, which lasted for almost a week in a very competitive environment. Thank you.